So if you are a dashcam user, you'll probably find this video to be very useful, and more specifically if you have a VIOFO dashcam, this video is just for you. So basically what I needed to show you in this video is that you can install the VIOFO app in your Android car system. Yes, I tried this out. I opened up the Google Play Store within my Android car system, opened the VIOFO app within the Play Store and installed it right there. And once done, I could easily connect my VIOFO dash camera, the VIOFO A329, straight up on my Android car system. So the biggest advantage of being able to connect the dashcam to your Android car system is that you can directly stream the video feed from your camera on your system with a wide display. You can switch between the front camera and the rear camera. So this means you can easily monitor what's happening behind your car on your car system, and even while taking reverse, you can switch to the rear camera view from the dashcam and get some reference, get some help while taking reverse or while reverse parking. So this is kind of a hidden trick, a secret trick for dashcams. So if you have a dash camera whose app is like compatible with your Android car system, you can try installing it on that system and get live video feed, front or the rear camera, or even the cabin camera if it supports that. You can stream video straight up on your system and you're going to love it a lot. Now by doing this, you take away one problem. Most dash cams which get a display kind of have a small display, and even if we do get a larger display size, you'll have to kind of squint your eyes to see what's going on the screen. But when you stream it on your Android system, you can easily take a glance, you can easily take a view, and you get the entire picture, and you can easily monitor the status of the dash camera. You can even access the settings, you can even change the settings, you can even take snapshot and do all of the other things which you can usually do when you connect it with your standard Android phone or a iOS phone. And as I said previously, the biggest advantage of this hidden trick is that you can practically use the VIOFO camera as a rear view camera, because this will help you in taking reverse, because the rear camera will be streaming directly on the car system. So in case if your car doesn't have a reverse view camera and you're looking for one, well, a dash camera, a VIOFO camera can do both the jobs. It can be a dash cam, it can be your reverse camera guide as well. So that's it. This was the hidden trick and one of the most practical and useful features of having a VIOFO dash camera. So if you are interested in purchasing any of the VIOFO cameras, the link to purchase them will be given in the description below. And if you do use my affiliate links, you can get an additional 1,000 rupee refund directly when you pay via UPI. So if you have any doubts or queries regarding this, you can just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and also share this with all your friends who have a dash camera. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.